Hi, I'm Gretchen Soares and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to be making soy candles. Okay, in this clip we're going to be measuring our container and placing our wick. The reason we measure the container is the wicks are different diameters, so they have different thicknesses. The wider the container, the thicker our wick needs to be so that it burns at the proper temperature. So we're going to place this on a bullseye like this, centering it so that we can see how wide it is. We're going to go with the widest point on the container, so that's 3 inches. Okay, now that we know that our container is 3 inches, we're going to choose our wick. This wick is from 2.5 to 3 inch containers, so we're going to go ahead and grab one of those. And we need to take one of these, they're double-sided stickers. You can use double-sided tape also. Put the first one on the bottom of the wick. We're going to remove the backing and not touch this with our fingers. The oils will make it not stick as well. You're going to look directly down your container and center the wick right in the middle. Once you have the wick centered, you're going to use a little stick and go ahead and press it down so that it's in place firmly.